I think the hardest part was the acceptance that I let you slip in. And maybe I could fall. Just try to remember who surrounded you from all the heaps of.
Why did I thrift this? I can't let go of things sometimes because I'm like, well, what if my life absolutely changes? I'm saying I'll keep it. By me, I'm just kicking my clothes around on the floor. Literally don't mind me. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hola que tal? I am Steph and this is my YouTube channel. Happy New Year, happy 2022. In true Sunny Steph fashion, we are opening the new year with a closet clean out. I was gonna do this drunk like I did the one last year, but I have a meeting in like an hour and that might not be wise. Although it would make the meeting more fun, for sure. Maybe I'll have a drink later tonight. Across my channel, and if you follow me like on my other socials, on Instagram and TikTok, I've been doing a lot of thrifting, which is great, but because I've been exploring my style, I've really like tried to hone and give myself a great sense of my personal style. But at the same time, it's been kind of bad because I just got so addicted to thrifting. I got addicted to trying new things, and I ended up purchasing a lot of things that I don't necessarily feel are truly my personal style. And I feel kind of guilty about it because I honestly felt like, oh, I'm doing a great thing, I'm being sustainable, I'm thrifting, but it's not really sustainable when you are thrifting a bunch and not actually wearing the clothes that you're thrifting and just buying it because it's something new and cool to add to your wardrobe. I have decided that this year my goal as far as shopping and clothing wise is to reuse the pieces that I already own and also think about my purchases a little bit more. I saw this great post on Instagram by Future Earth and they said like, think about buying a new clothing item as if you were gonna get another tattoo, which I have a few. Think about it in that way as something that doesn't actually go away. There's no away when you throw things away. So I definitely wanna be more conscious when I'm doing those sorts of things. So that is the plan. I do need to clean out my wardrobe just for my own sanity. You guys have seen that I've documented my eating disorder recovery journey as well. And it's not helpful to like have clothing in here that doesn't fit you anymore. I have a few criteria to narrow down what I'm gonna keep and what I'm gonna get rid of. First of all, does it fit me? Yes or no? If it doesn't fit me, it has to go. Is it comfortable? That is something that I've realized is such a big component as to how often I wear it. If it's not comfortable, the likelihood of me wearing it is not very high. 3, how often do I actually wear the item? It really like feels like occasion wear is not something that's super necessary within my closet. Anyway, should I wear this for the rest of the video or should I take it off? I don't know. So I went through like a theme, I think, of just buying a bunch of like patterned random like button downs. Like I thrifted a bunch of these. Like this one, I really love the color and the shade of this. Like it's really pretty. And like this one is also really pretty. It has like frills and ruffles and things like that on it. But I just realized that this particular silhouette is not something that I wear often or something that I really like on me. I'm just not that much of a button-down type of girl. Like I don't really wear them that often. I went through a really like random phase where I wanted to be like this button-down bitch. And that just is not my vibe. It's just not me.
Far off dreams, far off places.
Guys, look at this shirt that I thrifted. It says, save water, drink wine. I think this is so cute. I love like little kitschy, like slogan-y, sequined type tops. I think they're so funny and cute. I still have yet to wear this, but I know I'm going to wear it. Like I know, because it's just like a t-shirt and I know I'm gonna like layer it over things and stuff. So I know that this is gonna get some use. I just have yet to have the opportunity to wear it, but it's gonna get some use, okay? I trust myself with this one. Ah! Got this scarf. I thrifted this scarf and this has to be one of my favorite thrift purchases. Like this is so freaking cute. A little skinny scarf like this just adds a personal touch to an outfit that I just don't think many accessories do. I've been into like scarves or hats, like things that add a little bit more to an outfit. I just This is one of my favorite thrift purchases.
My love is waiting to set me free. Do you believe
A moment as well where I thrifted, like I wanted a lot of like these kind of sheer mesh tops. They reminded me a lot of like Jean-Paul Gaultier. I don't know, I don't wear them that often. Like I just am never like comfortable enough to wear these outside. I don't know if I should like keep one of these to like try it out and see how I'd style it, or just get rid of them, because honestly I haven't really worn these. I think like I never really wear mesh items. I don't know why I decided to thrift these. That's what I'm saying, like a lot of these purchases were very unconscious, and I like feel that in my energy, and I don't want my closet to be unconscious. I want it to be like pretty intentional, you know? So maybe those things have to go.
take up spaces so hard to find?
I'm gutted about this one. This one has me really like, sad. This dress is so beautiful. It has all this beautiful lace that's pretty much intact. It has pearls. It has like all of these really pretty florals. It's by Escada. I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful find. I'm really proud of finding this one. But it just doesn't fit me the way I want it to. Really freaking love how beautiful this dress is. It's just not for me, unfortunately. And I'm like gutted that I have to get rid of this one, honestly. This one's a hard one to like get rid of, but somebody else is gonna love and appreciate it so much more.
Just passing through, just passing time. If I make this yours, and you make
top, and it's a halter top, and it has like hearts on it. I actually didn't notice it when I purchased it. It's actually really cute. I just don't wear it that often because I don't wear red that often. Actually, people tell me a lot that red looks good on me, but I just don't wear red that often. Do I keep? Do I get rid of? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it. I'll keep it. I'll keep it. I'm saying I'll keep it. I'll keep it. But this is the thing where like I thrift things and then I'm like, why did I thrift this? Like, why did I thrift these like clearly like scrub pants that are tied? Why? Why did I do that?
with golden eyes, so hard to find.
Oh my gosh, I forgot about this little top. Saying like I already cleared out a little bit and I'm already like reminded of things that I genuinely love in my closet. So cute.
Just passing through, just passing time. If I make this yours.
Wasn't too bad. No mental breakdowns yet. Just wait till we get to the other side and then my main clothing rack, and then we'll see where like the indecision comes. So let's go to the other side. Okay. This next side of the closet used to be my main, the ones that I always reach for. It used to be on this side of my closet. But ever since I got like my clothing rack that's over there, it's kind of migrated out there so I could see it. There's like, if you guys can see, a huge pile of clothes here. That's kind of stuff that's just ended up in my closet because I was gonna give it to my sister, or my aunts gave me stuff or whatever. Actually, if I get all of this stuff out, by me, I'm just kicking my clothes around on the floor. Literally, don't mind me. Aunt actually gave this to me. It was out of her own closet, but it is this cowboy western shirt. It has like horses and like cowboys, and it's all like bedazzled. I just think it's so cute, and I love like the color palette of this. I've already worn it a few times. This is definitely a keeper for me. Thrifted this jacket. I really loved it. I was looking for a racer jacket and I thrifted this one. I really, really love it. Hot here. I don't know how much use I get out of it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not, but I just think it's really cool. It's gonna be the one that's like killer. Also guys, look at this coat. This like chocolate brown fur. Gorge. I mean, Gagatrondra. But like, am I gonna wear it in this climate? Absolutely not, but it's so beautiful. And what if I move? Literally, that's my mentality. Like, what if I move? Literally, oh, What is wrong with me? I like can't let go of things sometimes because I'm like, well, what if my life absolutely changes in the span of a few like months or a few weeks? I mean, you never know. Okay, this jacket I call my Rory Gilmore jacket. I actually wore it. I've worn it a lot actually. This is by Roxy, guys. Do you guys remember Roxy? I was obsessed with Roxy. I wanted to be like one of those like beach Roxy girls like when I was younger and like a California girl. This is my Moschino skirt that I thrifted. It's beautiful. It's super unique. It just doesn't fit me all the way, and I even got it taken in a little bit so that it would fit me better, but it's still not the right fit, and I don't know how much wear I'm ever gonna get out of this. Honestly, it's beautiful. Moschino is one of my favorite like brands to find vintage if I can. I was so excited to find this, but I think I was more excited because it was Moschino versus like the actual piece itself. Like, I feel like that's another thing to like think too. It's like I've been into like looking at vintage designer items, but like more than just thrifting the designer item because it's that designer or a designer that you love, is it something that is gonna work within your closet, yes or no? In my case, probably not. Oh, that makes me sad. I really love Moschino, but there's other pieces that I love more.
Wishing tables would turn, pray for life without pain, pray for life without words. Stretching for things that are put out of reach. What's the last thing that you think about before you fall asleep? The truth is hard to find, but mostly 'cause we lie.
Oh my god, look at how much space is in here now. Like, actually, like, I feel like, oh, such a sense of relief seeing my closet look a little bit more spacious. Amazing. Okay, now to tackle maybe I would say my more problematic area. It's actually not problematic because that's the area where I actually wear a lot more of the things, so I'm gonna have a little bit harder to make decisions, but it's where my clothing rack is. So let's look at that. Clothing rack. That's just about as tall as I am. Again, I went through like a funky button-down phase, and I realized I'm not a button-down girl. We cannot all be Matilda Djerf. Matilda Djerf is pretty much the one that rocks the button-downs. I just realized that I am not her. Some of it I guess I could resell, but I think some of it I want to like give to people. I might do like a clothing swap thing. None of this stuff is going to the garbage, guys. This like another find, not thrifted, but from my aunt's closet. She gave me this like Western top with this like beaded fringe on it. So cool, so freaking cool. These trousers don't fit me. Like, they could never like go above my butt. Guys, I have so many leather coats too. That's so funny. I literally, like, look at my freaking, these are not even all of them, but look at my leather coats. Like, red, blue, I have this funky pink one. As you guys can see, I cleared up quite a bit of space on my clothing rack, which is so exciting. Guys, look. I mean, it might not look that different to you, but to me, it's kind of a proud moment. Want to get in touch with my personal style, not what everybody else loves, not what's trendy on TikTok, but like what I really love and what I'm really passionate about. So look at all this space. I'm gonna take you guys down to the floor where I have the rest of the clothes that I'm getting rid of and all the rest of the damage. I'm super happy with everything. That it's gonna be like a weight lifted off of me, and hopefully all of this clothes goes to like a more loving home where somebody else is gonna get a lot of wear out of it, and maybe it'll be somebody's favorite piece. I don't know. Oop. Not me setting up my tripod very weirdly. This is my pile right here of clothes that I am going to be giving to a nice loving home. You guys, that's the pile right there. I was able to get rid of a good amount of stuff. I think less than what I got rid of last year, which makes me super proud because it means that I'm doing something better. I'm like really purchasing things that are me. Got rid of because, not even because I didn't like it, but it just doesn't fit me anymore. And that's like something that I wholeheartedly want to recommend to you guys and that I'm trying to stick to as well. It's like to not buy things that I think I'm gonna fit into one day, because I really just want to wear whatever makes me comfortable and what makes me happy now. And I think I'm going to be really inspired to create a lot of fashion and styling content for you guys. So please comment down below if you guys want to see me style anything in specific, maybe some of the pieces that I showed you today. Next time I do a closet clean out, I promise it'll be a drunk one because that one was so much fun. But this one was fun for different reasons. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys are following me on the rest of my socials, my Instagram, my TikTok, all of that. I'm super active on those platforms. Leave any video suggestions or requests down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much.